The Regional Industry Education Program, or the REAP program, it's about building strong connections with industries and schools to help support the students in career aspirations and ideas moving forward.
So we're out here delivering this in partnership with the REAP program, and we're bringing cyber skills and experiences to remote communities which they may not get previously.
The work that REAP does enables these communities to receive the same level of training and the same access to resources as big bustling areas like the CBD. And to provide that to an area like this is incredible, nothing short of incredible.
The standard's really high and we're really impressed with that, especially where we are located. We need the support like this.
The REAP program is really good for getting us experiences out here, especially with how remote we are, since it is a bit of a trouble to get some of the stuff that is really beneficial for us.
I think cybersecurity has a real niche in its own right because it's one of those careers that you can do from anywhere.
It does appeal to a broad range of different thinkers. A lot of thinking, a lot of communication and problem solving which comes out of cybersecurity.
Our students may not have to leave country, leave home, leave their close family networks that are really important to them and still have a meaningful career that moves into the future.
I thought it was just all about like police force. I didn't expect it to be all different jobs.
Like so many different jobs I didn't even know even existed, so.
They are loving the practicality. The fact that you can get hands-on experience, it's not all just theory, it's not all just lectures. We're actually doing something. It's actually in practice, we can see it.
It's a kind of adult learning environment, and so the expectations of the individuals is to step up to that level.
I'd recommend the REAP programs to other schools. We don't get that much out here compared to like the cities. It's a good way for us to learn more stuff.
10 out of 10. Cal's very puzzle and problem solving orientated. He loves a good quiz and a good brain teaser. The last 2 days has brought that out and just allowed him to do that.
There are people that are going away and they are changed as a result of this.